The order fulfillment process explained in 3 minutes. Here's what goes on behind the scenes at a third-party fulfillment center. There are 4 steps to the order fulfillment process: receiving, picking, packing, and shipping. Your 3PL needs your inventory in hand in order to start fulfilling orders. Receiving refers to the acceptance and storage of incoming inventory at the fulfillment center. Once the 3PL receives your inventory, the items are then stored in dedicated warehousing storage locations such as shelves, bins, or pallets. The actual order fulfillment process begins with warehouse picking. When an order is pushed to your 3PL order fulfillment system, it is assigned to a designated picker. They receive a packing slip with the items, quantities, and storage locations to collect the ordered products from their respective location. Once all items have been picked, it's time to pack them. Your 3PL will choose packing materials that will both protect your products and add up to the lowest practical dimensional weight. These materials can include boxes, bubble mailers or poly bags, packing tape, bubble wrap, air fill, and other dunnage. If you'd prefer to keep your brand front and center, some 3PLs, like ShipBob, allow you to stock your own custom boxes. Once the order is packed, it's time to ship. Most 3PLs will purchase shipping labels from shipping carriers on the merchant's behalf. Some fulfillment providers have preferred carriers with whom they partner, while others compare shipping costs from a variety of carriers. One big benefit of outsourcing fulfillment is that major carriers pick up orders directly from the 3PL's fulfillment centers to ship. Once the order ships, you receive tracking information that you can share with your customer. If you are thinking about outsourcing order fulfillment, here are 5 questions to ask your potential 3PL to ensure you find the right partner for your business. Number 1, how are you different from a traditional pick and pack 3PL? 2, how does your technology work? Which e-commerce platform integrations do you support? 3, where are your fulfillment centers located? 4, do you offer 2-day shipping? And 5, how can you help me offer a best-in-class customer experience? If you are thinking about outsourcing order fulfillment to a third-party logistics company, we know how overwhelming that it can be. That's why we created a free guide, How to Choose a 3PL for Your E-commerce Business, to help you find the right partner for your company. To download the guide, you can click the link in the description below, or you can go to ShipBob.com for more free resources and information on 3PLs.